Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third standard students, everybody open your course book. See, let us see volume 3, class 3. Okay. Mathematics course book. Everybody open. See. Mathematics course book, class 3, volume 3. Okay. Mathematics course book, class 3, volume 1. Mathematics course book, class 3, volume 1. See what I am saying. Everybody listen carefully. Today discuss about shapes and spatial understanding. So means we have discussed about today 2D and 3D shapes. 2D and 3D shapes. So here we are surrounded by different objects. Objects means shapes. Shapes means things. In your daily life, most of these shapes represented one shape or other. See here, open your textbook, page number 4. So, everybody open your textbook. So, what I am saying, did you understand? See, here, the page number, first figure, see ball. Next one is bottle. Another one is cell phone and ice cream. Next, what is this? Gift article. Okay, see here. So, this is the objects. See here. Now, today discuss about 2D and 3D shapes. See here. So, already you know in previous classes. So, this is called as square. This is called as a square. Why? Why? See here. See. In a square, all sides are equal. See. This is side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 in a square, because in a square all sides are equal in length. Equal in length. So this is side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. A closed figure having all sides are equal, then it is called as square. So it has 2 dimensions, length and breadth, but in a square all sides are equal, so taking as length. So this is called as 2D shapes. 2D dimension shapes. Here that dimension means measurements. So here this is square. It has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. Corners means vertex. Vertex. Vertex plural vertices. So this is square, and now this is, what is this? Rectangle. Did you observe? So it has 4 sides, but one difference is there. In a closed figure, opposite sides are equal in length. This is opposite to this side. This is opposite to this side. Did you observe? What is this? This is a rectangle. See here, this side and this side equal in length. This side and this side equal in length. So a rectangle has 4 sides and also 4 corners, means 4 vertices. 4 vertices. It has a length and breadth. This is length. This is breadth. Did you understand? So this is corner, means vertex. In a closed figure, the opposite sides are equal in length. Then it is called as rectangle. It is called as rectangle. So all vertices are all corners right angle. See, this is our blackboard. Okay, it has 4 corners. So each corner has right angle. Each corner has right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Did you understand? This is the rectangle. Now rectangle also 2D shape. Next, this is a circle. This is a circle. So it has no sides because circle has curved surface. Curved surface. So there is no vertices. There is no edges. Edges means sides. Did you understand? There is no sides. So here now, what is this? This is a closed figure. It is called as hexagon. Hexa means 6. Hexa means 6. See here. Did you observe this? See here. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is called as hexagon. A closed figure having 6 sides. Then it is called as hexagon. Now next, what is this? Already you know. Triangle. What is this? Triangle. See here. A triangle has 3 sides. See, side 1, side 2, side 3. Did you understand? 1, 2, 3. See, this is the triangle. It has 3 sides. Side 1, side 2, side 3. Side 3. Now next, this is corners. How many corners? A triangle has 3 corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3. Corner is nothing but vertex. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. This is the triangle. See here, these are the 2D shapes, 2-dimension shapes. So now next, in your daily life, everybody saw some of the pictures like this. What is this? Next, this, you know, and these are all things. See here. So These shapes are called eyes. Cube. Cube means 3-dimension figure, 3D shapes. These are all 3D shapes. It has 3 dimensions because it has length, breadth and thickness. So it is called as 3D shapes. See here, this is cube. Cube is in the shape of square. So then it is called as cube. Now next, this is cuboid. Cuboid is in the shape of rectangular shape. So this is called as cuboid. Now next, this is cone. Everybody know ice cream. Ice cream cone. Christmas cap. So this is cone. Now next, this is cylinder. What is this? This is cylinder. So everybody open page number 4. Page number 4. See, observe the following picture carefully. See here. So you can find out 2D and 3D shapes in a given picture. See here. This is a small house. This is a small house. So observe the following picture carefully and identify the 2D and 3D shapes. See here, first of all I can see balloons. Approximately this is the sphere shape. So it is called as 3D. Now next, this window 3D. So this is also 3D. This is also 3D shape. This is also 3D shape. But door. This is also 3D. Now next, sphere. 3D shape. See here. One plant, small plant. 2D shape, 2D shape, 2D shape, 2D shape. Did you understand? So, the basic shapes such as square, rectangle, triangle, this is the triangle, and circle are called plane figures. Plane figures are 2-dimensional shapes. These are all 2-dimensional shapes. See here, page number 5. Ritesh went to a resort with his parents for birthday party. In the resort, he started playing with his friends. He saw a pond there. Ritesh recalled the lesson taught by his teacher and identified the shapes of the pond as circle. Pond as circle. Similarly, he identified a square-shaped carpet. Square-shaped carpet. Now, next, a rectangle photo frame. Rectangle photo frame and triangular clock. Triangular clock. See here, Ritesh also saw a lawn, a kids swimming pool and a mirror. He could not identify those shapes. He asked his friends if they know what those shapes were, but they also did not know the names of the shapes. See here, all of them asked Ritesh mother if she know what those shapes were. He told them that those shapes are also plane shapes and they will get to know about them later. Then here, let us now learn about the basic shapes. Basic shapes means square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Like that only. These are the most common shapes. These are the most common shapes. Each of these shapes is created by lines and curves. Lines and curves. See here. Everybody listen carefully. Already I am explained about triangle, rectangle and square once again. See here. Let us discuss about the sides and corners of plane figures. See here, plane figures are also called plane geometrical shapes or geometric shapes. See here, now first discuss about triangle. A triangle is a plane figure with the three sides. A triangle is a plane figure with the three sides. A triangle has three sides and three vertices. See here. Side 1, side 2, side 3. And three corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3. And corners are also called vertices. This is the triangle. So now next rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure with four sides and four corners. A rectangle is a plane figure with four sides and four corners. Corners is nothing but vertices. Corners is nothing but vertices. See, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. Equal and parallel. See, this is the rectangle. It has four sides and opposite sides are equal. See, once again I can draw on the blackboard. So this is the rectangle. This is side 1. Side 2, side 3, side 4. This is corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4. A rectangle is a plane figure with four sides and four corners. Corners is nothing but vertices. The opposite side. This side is opposite to this side, so I can write this is corner A, B, C, D. Side 1 is equal to side 3 because side 1 is opposite to side 3. According to the definition, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. See here. Side 1 is equal to side 3. So AB is equals to DC as well as side 2 opposite to side 4. Side 2 is equal to side 4. Then BC is equals to AD. So it has four corners. Corner A, corner B, corner C and corner D. Each corner has right angle. So each and every corner has right angle means 90 degree. Did you understand? The corner of blackboard, the corner of your textbook. This is the corners. Did you understand? This is the rectangle. So now next. See here, so diagonal B and diagonal D. Join these opposite corners. You can make a diagonal. In a rectangle, two diagonals are there. So, how we can get it? The opposite corners. Join the opposite corners. By using a line, we can get diagonal. This is called as diagonal. So, it has two diagonals. It has two diagonals. Then next, the line which connects the opposite corners. The line means the line is connect the opposite corners. Corner B is opposite corner D. Then you can join B to D. Make a line, draw a line. So you can get a diagonal. In a triangle, the opposite corners. Join the opposite corners, you can get a diagonal. This is called as diagonal. Diagonal. How many diagonals are there? Two. Diagonal 1. Diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So now next square. Next square. Next square. See here. A square is a plane figure with 4 sides and 4 corners. All the 4 sides of a square are equal. All the 4 sides of a square are equal in length. Same. Both of the diagonals of square are also equal. See here, this is side 1. This is side 2. This is side 3. This is side 4. A square is a plane figure with 4 sides. Side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. See here, the opposite corners, by joining a line, we can make diagonal. See, A, B, C, D. Now next AC. It has 2 diagonals. These 2 diagonals are also equal in length. So, this is a square. In a square, all sides are equal in length. It has 4 corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4 and 2 diagonals. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Did you understand? This is a square. So here what is the difference between square and rectangle? In a square, all sides are equal, but in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in length. This is the difference between square and rectangle. So now, circle. Do you know how many sides or corners are there in a circle? This is the circle. This is the circle. See, a circle has neither any sides nor any corners. There is no sides, there is no corners. So, it is a curved surface. Curved surface. So, here, this is table. Shall we give a summary of these sides and corners of the 4 basic shapes? See here, listen carefully. Plane shape, number of sides, number of corners and number of diagonals. First, triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, so you can given here 3. Number of corners 3. Number of diagonals. So in a triangle there is no diagonals, 0. Next, rectangle. In a rectangle, number of sides how many? 4. Number of corners how many? Corners 4. Number of diagonals 2. Now next, square. So square also, number of sides. How many number of sides? 4. Number of corners? 4. Number of diagonals also 4. Now last one, circle. Number of sides? 0. There is no sides. Number of corners? No. 0. Next, number of diagonals also 0. So today our class is completed. I will take tomorrow another one, that is edges and corners of a solid shapes. Did you understand? So everybody practice at home, stay at home, be happy. Thank you to all. Bye.